Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the spirit world. What does the spirit world mean? As we human live on earth, earth is the place for humans to live. Similarly, our soul who lives in the spirit world. This place is only for souls to live, but this place is not like earth. Like all people in the earth lives in the same place, but the spirit world, not all souls lives in one place. In the spirit world, only and only according to the eligibility of that soul is it given a place. The soul that we develop resides there a very good place. And another important thing is that just like all the bad and good people live together on earth, in the spirit world all the bad souls live together and good souls live together. But if we talk about the spirit world, then its place is decided at the level of soul there. This means that in the spirit world, as the soul deserves to be good, it can stay in such a beautiful place. Therefore it is said that there is 7 realms in spirit world. How will these 7 realms be? About this we will take full details in different videos. In this video we will try to know basic information about it. We can also see the spirit world in such a good that as a school we have to go through each class in school in the same way that soul is also doing this. In the first realm the soul will be very low and the 7th realm's soul will very high. But this does not mean that the soul starts their journey from the first realm. The soul starts their journey from 4th realm. It is not too good and not too bad. It is a place where there is too much good but there is a lot of evil. At such a time, how the soul performs its work determines its development or its downgrade. In this way the soul starts in the further realm. If it does its job very well, it learns the real things in life, then it can develop very well and goes up one by one very soon. The time comes when it goes to the 7th realm. So the beginning of the soul is this way, is like in the spirit world. If seen that the spirit world is our real home because we are very much there, comes to earth very few short time. We do not live alone in spirit world. We live there in our community according to our eligibility, and the souls of our community are the same as our developmental level. The people who are close to us in our life are mostly the soul of our community, which we can also call soulmates. So this is primary information of spirit world. So we will see in the further details. Next I will try to give you complete information about how each realm. If you are interested in this, then stay connected with this channel. Thank you very much.